ken ditigra Anus ken gage Serbisyo lata Sigurado Bumangon tayo ken Sandro Sigurado Bumangon tayo ken Sandro Sigurado Ayat ken kapya sigurado itan Bumangon tayo kailian Yagen ipat sa pulan Paparwenti sa nga kailian Nang nangrula itan Sirip ken pigsal Tika sa pulan Sumampay man Rigat ken ditigra Anus ken gage Serbisyo lata Sigurado Bumangon tayo ken Sandro Basta tayo Sandro Basta tayo Sandro Basta tayo Sandro Sigurado itan Ito'y bigali Sangsang kamay sa tiang dili Biyag na talin na ay manipod bantay Ingat bye-bye Bumangon ka Duras di masakbayan Bumangon ka Ili apawatan Nang nangruna itan Sirip ken pigsal Tika sa pulan Sumampay man Rigat ken ditigra Anus ken gage Serbisyo lata
Miguel.
Sirip ken pigsal Tika sa pulan Sumampay man Rigat ken ditigra Anus ken gage Serbisyo lata Sigurado Bumangon tayo ken Sandro Basta tayo Sandro Basta tayo Sandro Basta tayo Sandro Sigurado itan Ito'y bigali Sangsang kamay sa tiang dili Biyag na talin na ay manipod bantay Ingat bye-bye Bumangon ka Duras di masakbayan Bumangon ka Ili apawatan Nang nangruna itan Sirip ken pigsal Tika sa pulan Sumampay man Rigat ken ditigra Anus ken gage Serbisyo lata Sigurado Bumangon tayo ken Sandro Sigurado Bumangon tayo ken Sandro Sigurado Ayat ken kapya Sigurado itan Bumangon tayo kailian Yagen ipat sa pulan Paparwenti sa nga kailian
All players, go to your bench for the final instructions. Okay, first by both teams. Start of the first quarter. Three.
Hello, Marcus. Fernandez fires, goes. Rebound by Rodriguez for a bank shot. Another interception by number 10, Calippo. Right on his way. No. Battle of rebound. And the ball's picked up by Rondaris. To Rodrigo. And it's also placed by number 23. And denied by number 31. What a beautiful defense by number 31. Here comes Rodrigo. But there's a foul on the floor by number 28. And the first personal foul committed by number 28. First team fouls also for Sarat. Side ball inbound for Pagod. Rodrigo. Looking for receiver. Pass it to number 10. To Carpo. Fernandez. Into the right corner. For the short number. Now. Rebound control by Sarat. Intercepted by number 38 to Fernandez. Now Fernandez pass to his teammate by Rondaris. Setting the play. Guarded by number 23. Attack and another blow of whistle. Follow number 23. Pushing foul. 2 shots given to number 11. Six minutes, 57 seconds for the opening period. Now Rondaris into the charging line. First. Yes, sir. Second try by Rondaris. Ready, number? Yes, sir. 2 out of 2 into the free throw line by Mr. Rondaris. Score now is 7-2. Almost still. Number 23. And there's a foul behind by number 23. Foul on number 10. That is Calippo. Hacking fouls. First personal foul by Calippo and first team fouls also. $16 seconds on the shot clock. Intercept by number 17 to number 31. Fernandez, 2-on-1 play. Fernandez for the easy bucket. And this time we have a timeout. Quick timeout. Timeout tayo. Timeout coming from Sarat. Remaining time, we have 6 minutes, 39 seconds with official score of 9-2. 7-point lead. Pagod Pod.
Anus Kengge, serbisyo lata. Sigurado, bumangon tayo Ken Sandro. Sigurado.
All right, let's go back to the ball game. Sarat. Number 28, now on dribbling. Quick pass to number 23. To Godoy. Godoy to his teammate. Wow, beautiful transition between Godoy and number 7 of Sarat. Rodrigo fake. And he's waiting for his companion. Still on dribbling. Going to the center, pass it to Fernandez. Shot clock running down to 10. Rondaris. Fired for 3, not this time. Number 45, Godoy. to number 23, starting the play. Pass it to number 45, guarded by Fernandez. One-on-one play. Fall away now. And this time rebound by number 27. Out of bounds. Number 23, Baltasar. Guarded by Peña, and this time there's a foul on the floor. Foul on number 7, blocking foul said by referee. Backdoor play. Official score, we have 9-4. 5-point lead by Pagudpod. Cabinian, setting the play. Shot clock down to 7. Almost lose the ball. Fired away. Short. And the ball is out of bounds. Here comes number 10, Calipo, bringing down the ball. There's a set. Underneath, fixed and denied by the tower man of Sarat. But the ball is still remain for the Pagudpud. Shot clock 10. And now Rodrigo inbounding the ball. Looking for the open man. Now Calipo intercepting the ball. Calipo. Turn. Fires. No. And the rebound controlled by Sarat. Long pass. Number 23 fake. And a foul. Sumakay si number 31. Third team fouls. Okay, Sabret. Fernandez, number 24, coming in by number 7, Peña. Backdoor play for Sarat. Number 28, inbounding the ball, pass it to number 45, Godoy. Almost steal. Shot clock 7. And the ball out of bounds. Turnover. 4 minutes, 32 seconds for the first period. Now, Rondaris gonna signify play number 3. Rondaris, quick pass to Fernandez. Rodrigo fires away, no! And cleared the board by number 23 of Sarat. Baltasar, penetrate, pass, turn, and a block by Rondaris. Now transition play, number 24, gliding into the rim by number 24. Wow! What a strong move there by number 24. That is the first bucket by number 24 of Fernandez. Right with a long one, and now intercept by number 7 to number 23, but there's a contact inside. Foul on number 38. Okay, Sabret. Calipo out, and to be replaced by number 18, Mr. Cuepo. Number 28 into the 15-foot line. Taking up 2 free throws. First. No good. Alright, tignan natin ang pangalawa. Balls to play. Ready, jumper. Another miss by number 28. Now number 31 for the rebound. Here comes Cuepo. Quick pass to number 31. Using his left hand now. Number 45. And stolen by Cremo. 2-on-2 on the run. Wow, beautiful pass. And this time, Rodrigo. And for the second effort, another miss. Baltazar, stop and pop. No. Number 28. And lose control the ball by number 28. Now number 11, Rondaris starting the play, and he's got to signify play number 1. Rondaris, and a foul on the floor set by referee. Number 28. All right, we have a quick timeout coming from Pagod Pud. Referee Jerry, timeout. Calling for timeout by referee Jerry of Pagod Pud. Remaining time, we have 2 minutes, 40 seconds with official score of 11 and 4. 7-point lead. Pagod Pud.
Sangsang kamay sa tiumiling, biyag matalin na ay manipod bantay, hinggat baybay, bumangon ka, duraas di masakbayan, bumangon ka, iliya pawatan, nang nangungatan, sirip kempig sa di ka sa ulan, sumampay.
All right. Back to the ball game, guys. James coming in for team of Starat. Number 38, Rodrigo. Inbounding the ball inside. Pass to Rondaris for a strong move by Rondaris. Godoy. Gotta set the play to number 23. James. With 5 on the shot clock. Down to 3. And the ball secured by Rodrigo to number 11. Rondaris sliding again into the rim. Wow! What a strong move by Rondaris. And this time number 23 tried to answer and missed the shot. Fernandez again. And the ball loose by Cuepo. Padulas para kay Cuepo ang kanyang bola. Another miss shot by number 28 of Sarat. Rondaris going to the right corner. What a beautiful fired away by Rondaris. 3! And that is being brought to you by CFAM Congressional Friendship Athletic Meet. Number 7. Guarded by Rondaris. Pass to number 28. Shot clock. Turn to 5. Number 45, Godoy. And there's a foul. Foul on number 37. Okay, substitution rep. Number 31 daw, sir. Yung foul. Okay, Pagod Pud under a penalty situation. Remaining time, we have 59.4 seconds. And now, number 45, Godoy, connect the first free throw. Tignan natin sa pangalawa. Second. No good. 1 out of 2 by Godoy into the free throw line. Here comes Romero. Romero to Cuepo. Drop pass. And the ball deflected out of bounds. Sabret. Balantak and Quintero coming in over both teams. 50 seconds. Another substitution. Sabret. Lagondino coming in by Rondaris. Fernandez looking for his companion. Pass it to Cuepo. Pass to his teammate. Turn around, fires! Yes, sir! Balantak for the long two. What a hustle play by Pagudpud. Another turnover again. Coming from Sarat. 31 seconds. Now Cuepo is gonna set the play. 6 seconds, different shot clock into the game clock. Romero missed the shot. Now here comes number 8 to number 23, Baltazar. Yes, sir. Easy bucket. 5 seconds. Down to 4 seconds. 4.8 seconds remaining. O, 4 na segundo lang ha. 4 seconds remaining. Sarat. Godoy into the paint. Now. All right. That is the end of the first period with official score of 20 for Pagudpud and 7 for Sarat. Pagudpud up by 13.
Sigurado, bumangon tayo, Ken Sandro. Basta tayo, Sandro. Basta tayo, Sandro. Basta tayo, Sandro. Sigurado ita, ito'y magaling. Sangsang kamay sa di umiling. Biyag na talin na ay manipod bantay. Ingat bye-bye, bumangon ka.
Okay, once again, ladies and gentlemen, would like to acknowledge the presence of our Honorable Mayor Rafael Ralph L. Benemerito II, and of course our SB member, Sir Cholo Benemerito, likewise with Mayor of Sarat for being with us tonight. Thank you. All right, back to the ball game, guys. We are now starting for the second period of the ball game. Baltazar, the court general, setting the play. Baltazar, directing play. Yes, sir. Lagondino, Rondaris. Back to Lagondino. Lagondino to Rodrigo, guarded by number 7. Closely guarded. Romero to his teammate. Reverse. And not this time. The rebound controlled by number 7. Here comes again Baltazar. To number 2, James. Try to hit a long one. Bang! James 3! Inside pass and quick shot by number 31. Rodrigo for the easy bucket. Baltazar. Another directing play. And there's a foul behind by number 23. Foul number 5. Pushing foul. And in the act of shooting, number 23. Into the 15-foot line for the 2 free throws. First, nothing but the bottom of the net by number 23. Second throw by Baltazar. Ready, jumper. Yes, sir. Same shot and same result. 2 out of 2 into the free throw line. Number 28 of Pagudpud. Pass to Rodrigo. Now, offensive rebound by number 17. Another extra possession with 8 to shoot. Rodrigo got it by number 8. Down to 3. Fires. Now, control the rebound by number 7 of Sarat. Got it by 2. And this time stolen by Laguntino to Romero. And off the glass there by number 17, Romero. Baltazar, kick out, fires. No, offensive rebound, Godoy. And stolen by number 38. Long pass to Rondaris. Rondaris. Why, what a beautiful cut shot by Rondaris. Kain, sabi niya. Baltazar. Attack and the ball pick up by Baltazar also. And Godoy driving into the lane. Another transition play. And again, double shot. Okay, timeout, timeout, timeout. We have a quick timeout. Again, coming from Sarat. With 7 minutes, 33 seconds. Official score, we have 28-14. Still in favor of Pagudpud.
Bumangon tayo, Ken Sandro. Sigurado.
Alright, we're back again. Live na live tayo mga kaibigan dito sa Astrodome ng Pagudpud. Sarat for the possession. Number 28, quick pass to his teammate. And a short jumper by number 7. No. Rebound control by number 31. And there's a whistle. Jump ball situation. And the arrow pointed to Pagudpud. Here comes Rondaris. Bring down the ball. There's a pick. Rondaris to number 28. Running shot. Yes, for 2 by number 8. Rodrigo. Godoy. To Corameng. Find number 45 with 10 on the shot clock. Four. Directing play. Too strong and rebound control by number 2, Rodrigo. Put back. No. There's still behind by number 28. And a foul. Number 28 of Sarat. And number 28 pick up his third personal foul. And the first team foul for Sarat. Now Rodrigo. Quick pass and quick release by Rondaris. And clear the board by number 7 of Sarat. Carbinian to number 45. Guarded by number 31. One-on-one play. And lost the handle by number 45. Sabret. Ronda Ruiz, the court general of Pagod Bud. Starting the play, passing to number 31. Fernandez to Rodrigo. Cross pass to Lagondino. Lagondino cut by number 25. No! And transition play again by number 25. Another miss. Fernandez for the rebound. Beautiful move. And this time, number 25 for the side step move. Wow. Trapping defense of Pagod Bud. Number 7 is guarded by Rodrigo. Almost still. And still by number 38. Lagondino. Lays up. Too strong. And this time the ball is out of bounds. Same ball. Number 5 inbounding the ball. To Godoy. Quick pass to number 45. Relocate. Now. Inside shot. Another miss. Wow! Super layup by number 11. Rondaris. And try to answer by number 25. No good. 4-on-1 play. Rondaris. Lagondino. The score now is pulling away. Number 25. Another miss. Oh! Count again the bucket by number 31. Basket is good. Foul by number 2. Okay, Sabret. Agoto, coming in. Walang timeout, sub lang yun, sir. Walang timeout, sub lang, sub. Continue. Sub lang yun, walang timeout, sir. Kalipo. Kalipo, wait. Okay, let us continue. Fernandez for the three-point play opportunity. All right. 55 seconds. Here comes Godoy. Gotta set the play. Try to hit a long one. And Godoy for the bounce back. Now Rondaris. And this time, Rondaris. Okay, Sabret. All right, Baltasar for coming back. 3:25 for the second period. Godoy. Not this time. And the ball picked up by number 38. Long pass. Intercept by number 5 to Godoy. Godoy to his teammate, number 23. Wow, a beautiful play between number 23 and Godoy. Here comes Lagondino. A good defense by Sarat. Now, number 5 deflect the ball out of bounds. Same ball. Number 5. Find number 45 of Sarat. Very shot clock down to 10. Godoy. Lost the endo. One shot. Yes, sir. Gonna beat the 2 points. Calipo. What a beautiful. And this time still. But there's a foul. Timeout. Foul number 10. All right, remaining time, we have 2 minutes, 15 seconds. Official score, we have 21-39. Still, pagod food.
Basta tayo, Sandro. Basta tayo, Sandro. Siguradong ikaw. Ito'y magaling. Sangsang kamay sa tiling. Tiyak na talin na ay manipod bantay. Hanggat bye-bye, bumangon ka.
Okay, back to the ball game, guys. We have still plenty of time. 2 minutes and 15 seconds for this.
Nang nangunata, siriken pigsaw, di kasap.
Okay, yung gustong sumaling maglaro ng halftime shootout, mag-ready na kayo. Okay, back to the ball game. Godoy. Still by number 31, Fernandez. To Calipo. And this time, there's a foul on the air. Foul number 23. Pushing foul. So, number 10. For the 2 free throws, first connect by Calipo. Second try, ready, jumper. Balls to play, yes sir. Perfect in the line by number 10, Calipo. One minute, 55 seconds. Godoy! What a strong move by number 45. Wepo. Short shot by Wepo. Long pass to number 23 again. Blow of whistle. Referee's ball. Fernandez. Punished to mate by number 11. What a trapping defense by Sarat. And this time, number 31 for 3. Off the mark. Number 23. Set the play. Baltasar drop pass to his teammate. And this time a foul. Jury foul by number 18. Third team fouls coming from Pagod Pod. All right, we need to set the shot clock into 14. James knocks down the three ball. Now, here comes Fernandez. And this time, Fernandez using the glass for the easy two. Now, Baltasar. Inside by number 9. Number 9 of Sarat. Dominating inside by number 9. Now, Rodrigo. 20 seconds remaining. 7 seconds different shot clock into the game clock. Inside pass. Calipo. And this time reject by number 9. 5. Easy bucket. 2. All right, that is the end of the first half. All right, get ready. Yung mga maglalaro ng halftime shootout.
Bumangon tayo, Ken Sandro. Sigurado. Ayat Ken Kapya.
Wala, halftime shootout. Sige na. Diyan sa itaas. Halftime shootout. Halina kayo. Sige na. Umay kayo, anak ko. Sir. Ayun, ayan na. Isa. Dalawa. Tatlo. Apat. 5. 6. 7. 8. Siyang. Oh, sakto na. 10 na. Okay. Pangalan.
Stanley.
Pangalan? At taga saan?
Nakapagudpud.
Oh, 3 points lang daw para madali. 3 points. Nasaan na yung kanina? Oh, yung na first na interview. Sige, pila na kayo, pila. Oh, we have 4 winners ito. Oh, pangalan?
Angelo,
Taga saan?
Uno, Barangayo.
Oh, pasok. Pangalan.
Steven. Sagat.
Tagasarat. Go. Pangalan, sir.
Albert. Pagudpud.
Pangalan.
Remar. Pagudpud.
Okay, go. Pangalan.
Alex.
Name.
Lance.
Pangalan, sir.
Gilbert.
Zolen. Raizan, sir.
O, wala na? Second round! Second round! Second round pa! Meron pa! Dali! Second round! Kailangan na natin ng 4 winners. Sige, pila, pila, pila. Go! O, tignan nyo lang yung stepping kayo, ha? Sige, go! Yun! Pangalawa pa lang yan. Manupay, dua pa ya. O, isa na lang. Yun! Paunahin, sir. Isa na lang. Ala. O, ito na siguro. Ala, kulang. Sige. Oh, yun. Kompleto na, sir. Apat na po sila. Apat na sila, apat. Sir. Oh, doon kayo kay sir. Apat na sila, sir. Kompleto na. Doon kayo, doon. Doon kayo sa, ano, sa table. Claim your prize there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the second half of the ball game. Sarat will take the possession and Pagudpud for the D. At pagigit kayo ng anak ko. Okay? Now, Balsar. Number 9. No. Long pass to Rodrigo. Nice fake. And this time, easy pocket by Rodrigo, number 28. De La Cruz. Closely guarded. Gliding to the rim by number 23 of Sarat. Long pass again to number 28. Find number 24. And this time denied by number 45. What a clean block by number 45, Godoy. And a backdoor play for Pagudpod. Rodrigo fake, and this time kitang-kita sa camera. One step too many. Traveling violation. Number 45 again. Fast into the paint. In and out. And offensive rebound, but there's a whistle. Number 9, holding foul, said by referee. All right, there is a challenge. Coach challenge foul. By Sarat. Okay. Kailangan natin mag-review for the coach challenge. All right, we will wait for the result for the review of the challenge coach of Sarat.
Sarap team, Coach Gale, successful.
All right, this is now this decision. The results of the challenge is successful challenge for the Sarat.
Kasi parang ka, meron kang isang success, may isa pang coach challenge isang One more.
Okay, we have still one more timeout reserved for Sarat. Okay, antabayan natin.
Pensando, sigurado. Bumangon tayo pensando, sigurado. Ayan, kaibigan, sigurado itan. Bumangon tayo, karamdaman. Yagen kita sa pulan, paparuwi sa nga kailyan. Nang nangrunay tan, sirip ken pigsati ka sa pulan. Sumampay man, rigat ken ditigra.
All right, let us continue the ball game. And the shot clock set to 14 by Sarat. Number 2, Kudoy, guarded by Fernandez. Here comes Kudoy. There's a touch on behind. Another turnover. Number 28, signify play number 3 to Rondaris. Rondaris to number 21. There's a cut on the line by Fernandez. Number 24, no! Rebound control by number 9 of Sarat. Inside pass. There's a steal. Godoy. And Fernandez. Wow, what a beautiful strong move there by number 45, Godoy. Dominating inside by number 45, Rondaris. Looking for the open man. Surveying with 8 on the shot clock. And this time, a long 2 shot by number 11. Rondaris. Baltasar, turn. Stop and pop by Baltasar. Now Rondaris. To the center. Now, the ball picked up by number 23, Baltasar. 4 on 2. Stop, pass, number 9, fake. James, wide open look. Now, the ball picked up by Rondaris. To Rodrigo, lost the handle. Baltasar to number 9, Nagoto. Turn, pass. Cut by Godoy! Godoy! Again! What a back-to-back shot there by Godoy! And this time, bang shot by number 38. Number 5. To number 45. Agoto. Floater shot. Now. And there's a foul. Who's foul rep? Number 9. Six minutes, 19 seconds for the third period. Rondaris. Deflected out of bounds by number 23. And a sideline inbound by number 11. Rondaris to Demilio. Draw pass and this time stolen by number 5. Godoy on the run. Godoy turn. Godoy now. Save the ball by Rodrigo. Underneath by Fernandez. Basket. Foul by number 20. Number 2. Okay, sub rep. Bonus shot. Now. Baltazar. De la Cruz. Back to Baltazar. Wow, Baltazar. What a beautiful finish by Mr. Baltazar of Sarat. Now Rondaris bringing down the ball. There's a cut and there's a block again by Godoy. Baltazar one-on-one play with number 11, but there's a foul again. Number 23 of Sarat. And number 23 of Sarat pick up his third personal foul and third team fouls also. Kalipo. Rodrigo to the right corner and a wide open look and there's a whistle. Stay too long from the two-zone area. 3 seconds violation. All right, substitution rep. Sub rep, Demilio out. And the big man of Pagudpud coming in, Mr. Cuicho. 4 minutes, 48 seconds. Baltazar. Fake. Fires, no. Rodrigo cleared the board. Rondaris for the floater shot. No good. Battle of rebound. Rodrigo. No. Another extra possession. And the possession goes to Sarat. Number 2. James, guarded by Rondaris. A trapping defense by Pagudpud to number 7 with Kicho, and there's a foul. Number 19 for the handshake foul. Anyway, that is a first team foul coming from Pagudpud. Number 5, guarded by number 10, Kalipo. Cut by number 2, James. And there's a blow of whistle again inside. Foul on number 30. 8 hacking fouls, and this time, James into the 15-foot line for the 2 free throws. Tignan natin. First, a little bit short by James for this first. Second try by James. Ready, jumper. All right. 1 out of 2 into the free throw line. Score now is 51-40. Calippo. There's the switch. Number 31. Inside pass. Quick shot for the follow-away shot. No good. Fernandez. Bang! Here comes Godoy. Guarded by Rondaris. To Baltasar. With 10 on the shot clock. Let him fly now. Steal by Baltasar to his teammate. Wow! Muntik pang maabutan ni Rondaris. 42-53. Step back and 5 for 3. Not this time. Here comes Sarat on the run by number 5. Godoy. Guarded by Cucho. Cucho to number 23. Fake. Relocate. Bang! And now the lead is cut down into the single digit. 9-point lead. Rondaris. Gotta set the play. Turn. Fires. Yes, sir. Balik 11 ang kalamangan ng Bagudpod. Try to hit a long one, no good. And this time deflected out of bounds. Sub rep. Cuepo and number 28 coming in. 1 minute 44 seconds. All right. Coach of Sarat calling for the timeout. 1 minute 44 seconds for the third period. With official score of 44-55. Bagudpod at the top.
Sigurado ita ito'y magaling. Sangsang kamay sa di umiling. Biyag na talin na ay manipod bantay. Ingat bye-bye. Bumangon ka. Duras di masakbayan. Bumangon ka. Ili apawatan. Nang runa ita. Sirip kempik sa di ka sa ulan. Sumambay man. Rigat kempik.
All right, back to the ball game, guys. We have still 1 minute and 44 seconds for the third period of the ball game. 1 and 44. And a quick foul. Spotted by referee. Foul number 18. That is Cuepo of Bagudpod. Third team fouls. Godoy. Number 23. Number 28. Attack, and there's a foul Foul on number 10. Unsportsmanlike foul ang tinawag ni rep. So, we don't need allow jumper inside for the 2 free throws by number 28 of Sarat. Due to the unsportsmanlike foul. And the first try by number 28. Connect. Second try. Yes, sir. Plus, ball possession given to them. 1 minute 33 seconds. Again, the lead is cut down into 9. Shot clock 10. Number 7. Deflected out of bounds. Same ball with 7 seconds on the shot clock. 7 to shoot. Backdoor play, fake. Godoy, they're still on behind by number 16 to Rodrigo. Stop, pop, no! And the ball pick up by Rodrigo. 5 on the shot clock. Aye. Another steal. Rodrigo for the easy bucket. Under 1 minute to play for the third period. Now Baltasar setting the play. Cut the line by number 7 and the ball deflected out of bounds again. Same ball sets by referee. With 8 on the shot clock. 8 to shoot. Number 28 finds Godoy. Step back. And step through by Godoy. What a power move. 25 seconds. We have a 1 second different shot clock into the game clock. 12. Rondaris. Let him fly. Rondaris. 3. All right, that is the end of the third period. Official score, we have 48-60. And Pagudpud lead by a dozen.
Bumangon tayo, Ken Sandro. Sigurado. Bumangon tayo, Ken Sandro. Sigurado. Ayat Ken Kapya, sigurado itan. Bumangon tayo, kailian. Yagen kita sa pulan. Paparuwi sa nga kailian. Nang runaitan. Sirip Ken Pigsa. Tika sa pulan. Sumampay man. Rigat Ken Diti.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are now heading into the fourth and final period. The moment of truth. And now Pagudpud will take the possession for the last quarter. Pagudpud's ball. Alright, dito na natin malalaman mga kaibigan kung sino ang mananalo. The final moment. Rodrigo Cuervo. Offensive rebound. Offensive glass there by number 31. What a strong move by number 31. Here comes number 28. Try to answer. No. Rebound control by number 31 again. And pick up the ball by number 23. Baltasar. Number 7. Godoy for the easy bucket. No look pass. Intercepted by number 28 to number 2. James. To number 28. Now, Godoy. Another miss. Battle of rebound. Rondaris. And a foul. Spotted by referee. Foul number 28 of Sarat. And that is a blocking foul. And number 28, pick up his fourth personal foul. Warning, number 28. Wepo. No good. Godoy. Securing the rebound. Now Godoy guarded by number 11. Pass it to number 23, Baltasar. To the right, left corner. Find Godoy. Godoy to number 7. Fall away. And for the high archer by number 7 of Sarat. 62-52. Down to 10-point lead. Rodrigo. Too short. Baltasar, trapped by 2. Pass to number 28. Godoy again, penetrate. And now Rodrigo. No! Godoy. Step back and fires short. And the rebound secured by number 11. Rodrigo penetrate. Coast to coast shot by Rodrigo. Balik sa isang dosena ang kalamangan ng Pagudpod. And the ball is back into the backcourt. Okay, we have a timeout. Alright, coach of Sarat calling for the timeout. Remaining time, 7 minutes, 12 seconds. Official score, 64-52. Pagudpod.
Sigurado, bumangon tayo, Ken Sandro. Basta tayo, Sandro. Basta tayo, Sandro. Basta tayo, Sandro.
Okay, back to the ball game. Anyway, we have still plenty of time. 7 minutes and 12 for the final period. Number 38. Rodrigo to Fernandez. Guarded by 2 with 5 on the shot clock. Kick out. Rondaris. Knocks down the three ball. No. And James secure the rebound. Okay, sa rep. Here comes Garcia. Replaced by number 2, James. Rodrigo. Gotta set the play. Pass to Rondaris, number 11. And Rondaris guarded by number 28. Try to hit a long one. Not this time. Godoy to his teammate. Wide open look. Now, offensive rebound. And this time, number 28 for the beautiful footback. Rondaris to Rodrigo. Rondaris. And loose control the ball by Rondaris. Another turnover coming from Pagudpud. Here comes again the big man of Godoy. To number 23. There's the foul and the legal pick. Number 19. Dito po, sir. Offensive foul ang tinawag para kay number 19. And that is it. Second team fouls for Sarat. Here comes Cuepo. Signify play number 1. Guarded by number 28. There's the switch. Rodrigo to Fernandez. Now! Oops! Hell ball, and the arrow again pointed to Sarat. Number 23, Baltasar, guarded by Rodrigo. Drop pass, nakawala si number 40, number 19, Garcia. Approaching 45 minutes mark. Cuepo, Rondaris with 10 on the shot clock. This time, Cuepo! On the wide open look. Godoy for the easy bucket. Quick answer by Godoy. Rondaris. To the right corner. Finds teammate. And the ball deflect by number 45. So, we have still 8 on the shot clock. Fernandez throwing the ball. Let him fly! No! And count the bucket. Basket, foul by number 28. Number 28, 5 fouls, fouled out. Rodrigo for the bonus shot. And this time, Rodrigo missed the bonus shot. 4 minutes, 10 seconds. Number 7. Stolen by Rondaris. And the ball bounce into the outside. So creating turnover again for Pagudpod. Here comes Baltazar. Tap, pop. No. Offensive glass. And this time, offensive rebound by number 7. A beautiful finish by number 7, Godoy. Fernandez, fake. Another block again by Godoy. Number 7, under the net, and there's a whistle. Who's foul rep? Number 11. That is Mr. Rondaris for the blocking foul. Quick pass. And denied also. Huli ka, Balbon. What a rejection by number 31. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 3 minutes, 26 seconds for the final period. Now number 5 of Sarat inbounding the ball. Find Godoy, fake. Step back and fires. Bang! The lead is cut down to 6. 6 na lang mga kaibigan. Rondaris guarded by number 23. Is gonna set the play. Rondaris. Drop pass to Rondaris. To Fernandez, I should say, but there's a foul. Foul on number 7. Holding foul. Under 3 minutes to play for the final period. And the shot clock is set to 14. Looking for the open man. Find number 11. Rondaris. Rodrigo fires and draws a foul from the opponent. Foul on number 7 again. That is Mr. Godoy. Rodrigo. Kinapos ang kanyang free throw. Second by Rodrigo. Ball to play. Yes. 1 out of 2 by number 38, Rodrigo. 2 minutes, 40 seconds. Knocks down the dribble. Godoy 3. Rondaris to Fernandez. 1-on-1 play by number 45. Almost still. Rodrigo. And poked by number 38, Baltazar. Why? Timeout. Pagudpod. Ayan na. Nabuhayan ang mga taga-Sarat. Remaining time, 2 minutes, 8 seconds. Official score, we have 69-67. 2-point lead. Pagudpod. All right, let us continue the ball game. The moment of truth. Eto na. And we are now approaching for the 2 minutes mark. Last 2 minutes. Ronderies. Guarded by Baltazar. Almost still. 5 on the shot clock. Rodrigo. And this time, Rodrigo. Yes! Quick answers by Rodrigo. Dalawa lang. 1 minute 35 seconds. Fernandez, no! Another try by Fernandez. And this time, number 28, stepping on the sideline. One minute 23 seconds. All right, we have a coach challenge. Coach challenge of Pagod Food. Antabayanan natin. The coach of challenge Pagod Food is under review. Waiting for the decision. All right, here we go. Here is the result of the coach challenge. Unsuccessful challenge. All right, back to the ball game. We have 1 minute and 23 seconds. 71-69 ang ating official.
Diba sinenyas na doon? Oo. Hindi naman per review. Coach, binarter pa, coach challenge. Sinenyas pa, coach. Wala akong ni-announce. Kaya number 2 minutes, hindi naman kayo magcha-challenge sir pag hindi ko ginano. Hindi, kaya nga natin stop. Wala. Binarter mo pa. Binarter mo. Binarter pa.
All right. Let us continue the ball game. Here we go. Garcia. Ay! Pagod for the possession. Approaching for the 1 minute mark of the final. Fernandez for the short jumper. Rebound by number 7. De La Cruz. Garcia. No. And the rebound control by Rondaris. Rodrigo. Find Fernandez. Here comes Rondaris. 5 to shoot. Rondaris. Pull back. 3. Penetrate. And the foul. Foul number 7. All right. Coach Jerry of Pagudpod calling for the timeout. Timeout. Pagudpod. Remaining time, we have 26 seconds with official score of 69-71. 2-point lead. Pagudpod.
Nang runay tan, sirip kentig sa tika sa pulan,
Alright, back to the ball game.
Bigat candy tigra. Andot
Rondaris for the 2 free throws. And this time, Rondaris knocks down the free throw. First free throw. All right, ready, jumper. Last throw. Ball to play. Yes, sir. And a blow-off whistle again. 38. Anyway, that is still a second team foul. All right, again, we have a quick timeout coming from Sarat. And Sarat consumed timeout for the final period. And Pagod Food, you have still one more timeout left. 21.5 seconds remaining. Official score, we have 69-73. 4-point lead. Pagod Food. Alright, back to the ball game. Tignan natin kung anong mangyayari sa 21.5 seconds. And the possession goes to Sarat. Number 45, inbounded the ball. Find Garcia. Almost steal. Budoy. Black. Rodrigo. Yes, sir. Hey. All right. That is congratulations, both team. What a good and beautiful play between Sarat and Pagod Food. Parang championship game, mga kaibigan. Congratulations, both team. That is the story of the game. And sa lahat ng mga nanood, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat, mga kaibigan. Ang ganda. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is all for tonight. See you again on tomorrow.
Yakin kapya sigurado itan. Bumangon tayo kailian. Biyagin kita sa pulan. Paparuin.
Oh, bugas sa karasi naman ng ano. Ang ating pagkaganapan ng basketball ng CFAM. Sa Karasi tayo bukas. See you there at Karasi tomorrow. Okay, God bless us all.
Serbisyo lata, sigurado, bumangon tayo, Ken Sandro.